We are covering cloud economics and total cost of ownership, or TCO, for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. The core concept you must understand is the shift from capital expenditures to operational expenditures. On-premises data centers are heavy on capital expenditures, meaning large, upfront investments in physical servers, power, cooling, and building costs that are depreciated over time. In the AWS cloud, this model flips to operational expenditures, where you pay for resources as you use them, turning a large fixed cost into a variable one. Exam questions will test your ability to distinguish between these. For instance, a scenario might ask which on-premises cost is eliminated by moving to the cloud. The answer often includes indirect costs like physical security or IT staff for hardware maintenance, not just the server hardware itself. A common exam trap is to confuse the AWS Pricing Calculator with the now replaced TCO calculator. The AWS Pricing Calculator is the detailed tool you use to estimate the cost of a specific planned solution on AWS. The exam expects you to know its purpose, creating a cost estimate for a solution you intend to build. You won't be asked to perform complex calculations, but you must know which tool to use for a given scenario. Another key area is cost optimization, primarily through rightsizing and reserved capacity. Rightsizing is the continuous process of matching your instance type and size to your workload's actual needs to avoid paying for idle resources. An exam question might describe a workload with fluctuating demand and ask how to optimize its cost, with rightsizing being a key answer. The exam also heavily features savings through commitment. This includes reserved instances and savings plans, which offer significant discounts up to 75% in exchange for a 1 or 3 year commitment to a certain level of usage. A common confusion point tested is the difference in flexibility. Reserved instances are often tied to a specific instance family and region, making them less flexible. Savings plans are more modern and flexible, committing you to a certain hourly spend that applies across different instance types and even services like Fargate and Lambda. For a mental shortcut, remember this phrase: TCO means trading CapEx for OpEx. This captures the fundamental economic shift of moving to the cloud, replacing upfront hardware costs with ongoing pay-as-you-go service costs. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.